95% of people will go their entire lives without ever becoming truly wealthy. And the scary part, most of them have no idea it's happening to them. They go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, and still end up broke. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to escape it. It's called the paycheck cycle. And almost everyone is stuck in it. You wake up Monday morning, you drag yourself to work, you work hard all week. Friday comes, paycheck hits your account, and within 48 hours, it's gone. Rent, car, food, Netflix, credit card, gone, and then you wait. Survive the next 2 weeks and do it all over again. Here is what nobody tells you. Income is not the problem. There are people making $200,000 a year who are completely broke, and there are people making $30,000 a year quietly building real wealth. The difference is not the paycheck. The difference is the behavior. Reason number one why 95% stay broke. They have zero financial plan. They let money control them, instead of the other way around. Reason number two, they are addicted to lifestyle. Inflation. Every time they earn more, they spend more. Savings stay at zero every single time. Reason number three, they are terrified of investing. They think investing is gambling. Only for rich people on Wall Street, but not investing is the real gamble. Inflation is quietly eating your money every year. So what does the 5% do differently? It starts with one rule. Pay yourself first, before rent, before food, before Netflix. A portion goes directly into savings. No exceptions. Second habit, they live below their means. On purpose, they don't care about looking rich. They care about being rich. Big difference. Third habit, they put their money to work. Through stocks, real estate, or businesses. Compound interest is the most powerful force in wealth building. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. A single dollar invested today could be worth $50 in the future. Time is the secret ingredient, but none of this works without the most important ingredient, the right mindset. The 95% say, I'll start saving when I earn more. The 5% say, I'll start today with whatever I have. The gap between the 95% and the 5% is not talent, not luck. Just three things: habits, patience, and starting. Are you ready to stop being part of the 95%? Subscribe for weekly money tips and comment below. What's your biggest money mistake right now?